To connect to a PostgreSQL database server, you can use a PSQL command line tool or a database client. Here's how to do it using both methods. Using PSQL. Ensure PostgreSQL is installed and running. Open a terminal or command prompt. Use the following command to connect to the PostgreSQL server. Replace the placeholders with actual values. Host, the IP address or domain name of the PostgreSQL server. Username, your PostgreSQL username. Database name, the name of the database you want to connect to. Port, the port number. If prompted, enter the password for the PostgreSQL user. Once connected, you can execute SQL queries within the PSQL shell. Using pgadmin, open pgadmin and click Add New Server. In the General tab, provide the name for the server. In the Connection tab, enter the host, port, username, password, and database name. Click Save and you will be connected to the PostgreSQL database. Using application code, you can use libraries like pg for Node.js or psicopg2 for Python to connect to PostgreSQL by providing the connection details in your application code.